Looks a lot better in automatic. Okay, here we're looking way down Kimberly toward the far end, automatic. That's pretty good. That's almost 2 blocks away. Stop.
Try again. Take 2.
Okay. Well, things have changed a little bit around here, but Steve and I, and to be determined, hope you all have had a very nice holidays, and we wish you all the best for the coming year, and we hope to see you all in the near future. Yes, there we are.
There's the baby.
Side view.
1,000. 2,000. 4,000. 60th. That is got quite a blossom there, but looks okay in the viewfinder. Automatic, and then I'm going to shoot the sky. And we're going to turn it off.
Goed evening. This is Sarah Jennings reporting live from Chicago. Weer 'n aswalking aan tragic event has unfolded on what's held half a been a joyous Christmas morning. Authorities confirmed that 34-year-old Daniel Carter has been taken into custody after allegedly murdering his wife, Emily Carter. Entire home earlier today. Nijgebouwers report jaring a heated argument before a single. Chilling scream shed trouwige de holiday silence. When police arrived at the scene, they found Emily unresponsive in the living room. A fatal stab wound to her chest. The couple's Christmas tree still twinklet in the corner. Presents in openheid beneath, a stark contrast to the horror that had just occurred. Investigators say Carter was found sitting beside his wife's body. Apparently does it and unresponsive. He was arrested without resistance. While no official motive has been released. Sources is ongoing marital tensions may have led to the fatal altercation. As the community mourns this devastating loss. Authorities urge aan Jonas terugling with the domestic conflict to seek help before a tragedy strike is. This is Sarah Jennings. Reporting for Chicago News 5. Back to our in the studio.